Discover the amazing benefits of raw onions. These everyday veggies can boost your energy, improve your eye health, balance your hormones, and support your mental well-being. Eating raw onions daily can make a big difference in your health. Stay until the end to find out how. Improves oral health by reducing harmful bacteria. Eating raw onions can significantly improve oral health by reducing harmful bacteria in the mouth. Onions contain sulfur compounds, which have antibacterial properties that help eliminate bacteria responsible for tooth decay and gum diseases. Studies have shown that chewing raw onions for just a few minutes can kill most types of bacteria in the mouth. This not only prevents oral infections, but also helps in reducing bad breath caused by bacterial growth. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of onions can aid in preventing the formation of plaque and tartar. Including raw onions in your diet can contribute to healthier teeth and gums, making them an excellent natural remedy for maintaining oral hygiene. Enhances eye health due to quercetin content. Raw onions are a rich source of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health. Quercetin helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and reduces the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Research has indicated that regular consumption of quercetin-rich foods like onions can improve visual acuity and overall eye health. Additionally, onions contain sulfur compounds that support the production of glutathione, an important antioxidant for eye health. These compounds can help prevent the development of eye conditions related to aging. By incorporating raw onions into your daily diet, you can enhance your eye health and protect against various age-related eye diseases. Aids in detoxification by supporting liver function. Raw onions are beneficial for detoxifying the body, particularly by supporting liver function. The sulfur-containing compounds in onions help the liver detoxify harmful substances and promote the elimination of toxins. Onions also contain antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids that assist in neutralizing free radicals, further aiding the detoxification process. Studies have shown that these compounds can enhance the liver's ability to metabolize and eliminate toxins from the body. Additionally, onions have diuretic properties, which help in flushing out toxins through urine. Consuming raw onions regularly can support liver health and improve the body's natural detoxification processes, leading to overall better health and well-being. Helps reduce the risk of certain cancers. Consuming raw onions may help reduce the risk of certain cancers due to their rich content of sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Research has shown that these compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent the formation of tumors. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that people who consumed more onions and garlic had a lower risk of developing various types of cancer, including colorectal, laryngeal, and ovarian cancers. The antioxidants in onions, such as quercetin, also help neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to cancer. Including raw onions in your diet may provide protective effects against the development of cancer. Provides natural antihistamine effects. Raw onions possess natural antihistamine properties, making them beneficial for those suffering from allergies. Quercetin, a potent antioxidant found in onions, can inhibit the release of histamines, which are chemicals that cause allergic reactions. Studies have shown that quercetin can help reduce symptoms of allergies such as runny nose, watery eyes, and sneezing. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of onions can help alleviate allergic reactions and reduce inflammation in the airways. By including raw onions in your diet, you can benefit from their natural antihistamine effects and potentially reduce the severity of allergy symptoms. This makes onions a valuable addition to the diet of individuals prone to allergies, supports healthy cholesterol levels, Raw onions can support healthy cholesterol levels, which is crucial for cardiovascular health. Onions contain compounds like flavonoids and sulfur compounds that have been shown to lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels and increase HDL or good cholesterol levels. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that regular consumption of raw onions can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol profiles. Additionally, the antioxidants in onions help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis. Including raw onions in your diet can contribute to healthier cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Enhances iron absorption. Eating raw onions can enhance iron absorption, which is vital for preventing anemia and maintaining healthy blood. Onions contain vitamin C and sulfur compounds that help improve the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming onions along with iron-rich foods can significantly increase iron absorption. This is particularly beneficial for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet, where non-heme iron is the primary source of iron. By including raw onions in your meals, you can enhance the absorption of iron, thereby improving your overall iron status and preventing iron deficiency anemia. Helps in managing menopausal symptoms. Raw onions can be beneficial in managing menopausal symptoms due to their phytoestrogen content. Phytoestrogens are plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body, helping to balance hormone levels. Research has shown that consuming foods rich in phytoestrogens, such as onions, can help alleviate common menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of onions can help reduce inflammation associated with menopause. Including raw onions in your diet can provide natural relief from menopausal symptoms and improve overall well-being during this transitional phase. This makes onions a valuable addition to the diet of menopausal women. Improve sleep quality due to folate content. Raw onions can improve sleep quality due to their folate content. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, plays a crucial role in regulating sleep patterns and mood. Studies have shown that adequate folate intake is associated with better sleep quality and reduced symptoms of insomnia. Onions also contain prebiotics, which can improve gut health and, in turn, influence sleep by promoting the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin. Consuming raw onions can help ensure you get enough folate in your diet, which can contribute to better sleep quality and overall mental health. Including raw onions in your meals can be a natural way to enhance your sleep patterns and improve your mood. Supports mental health by reducing stress and depression. Raw onions can support mental health by reducing stress and depression due to their high antioxidant content. Onions contain quercetin and other flavonoids that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Research has indicated that these antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which is associated with depression and anxiety. Additionally, onions contain folate, which helps in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood. A diet rich in antioxidants from raw onions can support brain health and reduce the risk of mental health disorders. Including raw onions in your diet can be a natural way to improve mental well-being and reduce stress. Boosts energy levels due to vitamin B6. Raw onions can boost energy levels due to their vitamin B6 content. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is essential for energy metabolism and the production of neurotransmitters that regulate energy levels. Studies have shown that adequate intake of vitamin B6 can help reduce fatigue and improve overall energy. Onions also contain natural sugars that provide a quick energy boost without the crash associated with refined sugars. By incorporating raw onions into your diet, you can benefit from their vitamin B6 content and experience increased energy levels throughout the day. This makes onions a great addition to the diet for those looking to enhance their energy and vitality. Promotes a balanced gut microbiome. Raw onions promote a balanced gut microbiome due to their high content of prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut flora. Onions contain inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that has been shown to improve gut health and support digestion. Research published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that consuming prebiotic-rich foods like onions can enhance the growth of beneficial bacteria and improve overall gut health. A balanced gut microbiome is crucial for digestive health, immune function, and overall well-being. Including raw onions in your diet can support a healthy gut microbiome and improve your overall health. Will you be eating raw onions now? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thanks, and see you on the next one.